722 of 21 turbooptiontrading.com. Go to that new website. All the videos are there. This is the daily market wrap for the Nasdaq Composite. We had a major top. We discussed this many times. We came straight down 4 days, and the volatility, as I said, would come back up to test the high. And tomorrow, we will break a new high on the Nasdaq Composite, and we will. I know that. Trust me. On the Nasdaq 100, you had Twitter that beat earnings, Snap beat earnings. Intel didn't do that well, but it doesn't matter. 4 days up on the Nasdaq 100, and we will make another 52-week high after that little 4-day pullback. And it was at support, and how far they go or when they test is what we're looking at. Each day we've updated it correctly, and we said the upside, or what we call it upside volatility, would be based on earnings releases. And we have a ton of them coming. We've had a lot of good ones. Intel wasn't. But we did have a few really good ones. But stocks are running higher in anticipation. So we're in euphoric or exuberance. And it always happens. And after it happens, then guess what? Down they go. That is a Nasdaq Composite and the Nasdaq 100. That is the top end of that resistance. We're going to break that reversal high tomorrow. Why? We still have a sell signal on the daily, but it doesn't matter. The more gap open up we get in the morning, it's going to work that daily sell signal off. But we will make a new high tomorrow, and we will. And we're not overbought. When we were over here, we were overbought. Okay, but we're not overbought right here. After they pull it back, your stochastics and everything else change. RSI is not above 70 either, so there's more room to go in the Nasdaq Composite. Go ahead and sign it up, baby, because we're going to make new highs, believe me. But the volatility now, when you're making new highs and the volatility forward looking 7, 8, 10 days out, oh boy, it's going to be big. And there's even going to be bigger volatility than what people have seen in a long time. Always happens toward the end of the month. It always happens. We haven't got through earnings season. We got a bunch of the big ones next week. But after Apple and Google and Amazon and Shopify and Meli, M-E-L-I, Trade Desk, Square, NVIDIA already did their great thing. But let me say this. That is going to be the top that nobody could take out. And we're going right to it. And there it is. Good luck on the NASDAQ 100, NASDAQ Composite. Look for a gap open up in the morning. And look for stocks to continue to move higher. Sign up.